अब इसमें सोसाइटी समझ में आया, ठीक है। अब हमने क्या किया, इसमें गवर्नमेंट पार्ट ऐड कर दिया। देखिए अभी दिस नो, आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट एनी फॉर्म ऑफ गवर्नमेंट राइट नाउ, दिस सिंपल फिनोमिना, okay, that you guys chosen someone to govern you, that is actually social contract. This is the concept of social contract, the contract between people and the governing body, that's all. When you hear the term governance, so what is governance basically? देखो, they are very technical terms, okay, they are very technical definitions are there, I will let you write down, pen down, okay, but the major thing is to understand the concept, ठीक है। तो अभी अगर पूछा जाए कि बताओ व्हाट इज नेशन, सबको पता होगा नेशन क्या है, लेकिन व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट द डिफाइनिंग द कॉन्सेप्ट, और जब कॉन्सेप्ट समझ में तभी आता है जब हम डिफरेंशिएट करते हैं उसको किसी और टर्म के साथ, सिमिलर टर्म के साथ, ठीक है, तब समझ में आता है कि शायद हमारा कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर नहीं है, ठीक है। सो व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट गवर्नेंस, सो व्हाट इज गवर्नेंस, एनीबॉडी कैन से, ठीक है, सबने पढ़ा होगा, सबने सुना भी होगा, हाँ, यस, व्हाट इज गवर्नेंस? गवर्नेंस, act of governing authority. Anybody else? What is governance? Yes. Okay. Anybody else? So what is, how government is different from governance? Government is the functioning body, so governance done by government, okay, so government is completely contemporary phenomena, okay, so sometimes governments are not there, ठीक है। So when we talk about governance, it means we are talking about the function of government, and when we talk about government, it means we are talking about the contemporary government when we relate to our country or some democratic country. But it's ultimately what, which functions governance? It's state, right? We can say it's state who perform the governance. Then now coming to the point that what is स्टेट, यस, पॉलिटी कितने लोगों ने हाथ खड़ा किया था, अभी बताओ व्हाट इज स्टेट? व्हाट? आर्टिकल 12, इज इट स्टेट? इट इज स्टेट अकॉर्डिंग टू आवर इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, बट व्हाट इज द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ स्टेट? इंडिया इज नॉट ओनली द कंट्री विच इज स्टेट, कैन यू से सऊदी अरेबिया इज स्टेट? सो व्हाट इज स्टेट अकॉर्डिंग टू सऊदी अरेबिया? इट्स नॉट आर्टिकल 12. Yes. So what is the actually, what are the components which makes a state? And if representatives are not there in Saudi Arabia, is it a state? That is state. That monarch is a form of government. Can you say Saudi Arabia is a state or not? Yes. Then your definition is failed of representation. That is actually form of government. But when we, that's why you are failing understanding the concept of a state. So when we say that is state and that is country, was before independence, some of you have done with PII also, post independent India, okay, so now we are talking about post independent. So when we talk about before independence, so we were state or country, what were we? State. So what is state? कौन कौन सी कंडीशंस हैं, अगर ये फिलफिल हो रही हैं तो वो स्टेट है। हैव यू गॉन थ्रू द प्रीवियस पेपर ऑफ यूपीएससी प्रीलिम्स? एक क्वेश्चन था कंफ्यूजिंग, व्हाट इज स्टेट? नहीं गए हो तो जाओ 2 साल पुराने पेपर देखो जाके, उसमें एक क्वेश्चन मिलेगा, व्हाट इज द एक्चुअली बेस्ट डेफिनेशन ऑफ स्टेट? यस, नाउ यू आर गेटिंग द पॉइंट. सो टेल मी द 4 कंडीशंस. So okay, 1 second. Let me tell you the actually the evolution of state. Okay, so अभी तो देखो क्या है, अभी तो यहाँ यूपीएससी की तैयारी करने आए और सब लोग कुछ ना कुछ पढ़ाई करके आए हो, तो अभी प्री डिफाइंड माइंडसेट है, ठीक है। सपोज नाउ यू हैव जस्ट बोर्न, कंप्लीटली वॉश योर माइंड, ओके, वॉट एवर यू हैव लर्न, जस्ट ब्रेन आउट, वॉश आउट एवरीथिंग, ठीक है। नाउ you have just born on a certain island, okay, which is completely barren and nobody is residing over there, completely uninhabited, ठीक है। तो अब बताओ ये एक टेरिटरी है, ठीक है, मींस आइलैंड, you can say territory, okay. Now all of you have just shifted to that island, ठीक है, so this is territory and now since all of you have now shifted here, so we can say this is territory with population. Then what you can call in this situation, there is no government, there is nothing like that, all you have just shifted there. ठीक है, अभी इसको क्या बोलोगे? What is this? किसी आइलैंड पे गए, वहां कुछ लोग रह रहे हैं, ठीक है, हाँ हाँ, तो अब जरूरी नहीं कि वो जो आइलैंड पे रह रहा हो ट्राइब ही हो, ठीक है, ठीक है, सो नाउ वी कैन कॉल इट अ society. Is it clear? There is no condition required for being society. There is no political phenomena which is required, there is no political condition which is required to make society. Is it clear? It's completely cultural term. Clear for everyone? यहां तक सबको समझ में आ रहा है? कॉन्सेप्ट समझना बस, ठीक है, इसके बाद तो ऐसे लिखना होगा। तो कैसे लिखोगे 1500 वर्ड का ऐसे, क्योंकि डेफिनेशन तो नहीं पता है छोटी सी, ठीक है, तो एक बार कॉन्सेप्ट समझ में आ जाएगा तो उससे कुछ ना कुछ रिलेट करके कितना भी लिख सकते हो। Is it clear for everyone? So now अब इसको बनाना है हमें, क्या स्टेट बनाना है, ठीक है, कैसे बनाएंगे? तो अब क्या होगा, साथ के साथ चले गए, ठीक है, अब सब लोग ऑल ऑफ यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर यूपीएससी, सबके कुछ ना कुछ एस्पिरेशंस है, सबका कुछ ना कुछ ईगो है, तो ईगो होगा तो क्या होगा, ईगो तो क्लैश भी होगा, तो क्या चाहिए होगा उसके लिए हमें? गवर्नेंस मींस गवर्नमेंट चाहिए होगा, कि यू विल ऑल कम अप विद अ सोशल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट with some people that okay, you are looking more mature than me, you are deserving to be a representative, okay, you that a particular body which can govern you guys, okay, amongst you, ठीक है, there is no divine technology कि ऊपर से कोई आएगा गवर्न करे। Is it clear for everyone? So amongst you, you guys make a government, okay, so, अब इसमें सोसाइटी का समझ में आया, ठीक है, अब हमने क्या किया, इसमें गवर्नमेंट पार्ट ऐड कर दिया। देखिए अभी दिस नो, आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट एनी फॉर्म ऑफ गवर्नमेंट राइट नाउ, दिस सिंपल फिनोमिना, ओके, दैट यू गाइस चोजन समवन टू गवर्न यू, दैट इज एक्चुअली सोशल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, दिस इज द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ सोशल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, द कॉन्ट्रैक्ट बिटवीन पीपल एंड द गवर्निंग बॉडी, दैट्स ऑल, देयर इज नथिंग बियॉन्ड दैट। देयर आर वेरियस थ्योरीज फ्रॉम वेरियस स्कॉलर्स, रूसो कुछ कहता है सोशल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट के बारे में, लॉक कुछ बोलेगा, ठीक है, तो बट क्या है, कॉन्सेप्ट यही है, ठीक है। नाउ अब ये जो टेरिटरी है, जिसमें डिफाइंड टेरिटरी है, दिस पॉपुलेशन एंड देन वी हैव गवर्नमेंट आल्सो, व्हाट यू कॉल दिस, सपोज you don't know that whether this territory is governed by you or someone else. Suppose you are living over here, but actually the basic amenities is provided by someone else, means some other country, some other territory. It means you never know whether you have proper control over your decisions or not. It means if there is no control over your decisions, either internal or external, it means you are still a, yes, means now you got the concept of dominion. During the colonial era, our freedom fighters were asking for dominion. It means they need government, okay, they need the authority to govern their territory. Is it clear for everyone? Now then we add the element of independence, then they started gradually the demand of full independence, Purna Swaraj. We don't need dominion status. It means they were asking for, yes, sovereignty. So now it became state. Is it clear now for everyone? So what are the 4 conditions? First, there must be defined territory. Second, there must be population. Third, there must be government. And then fourth, the fourth element which is very important, that makes the territory a state, which is called sovereign. If sovereignty is not there, you can call that particular territory a country. That is why difference between a state and a country. This concept is clear for everyone. So now the state plays a key role in delivering governance. Okay. Is it clear for everyone? 100%? कोई ऐसा जिसको 1% भी समझ में ना आया हो? For from online? Yes. Dominion is समझ. See, if you are actually, before independence, we were following the orders of what? Britishers. Do we have independence of making laws and implementing them without any external or internal interference? No. Then we were what? Dominion. Okay. All those commonwealth under British rule which do not have right for their external matters, they are not sovereign. They are what? Dominion. That is why they are called commonwealth country, because they are under a single umbrella of dominion countries. Clear? Everyone, कहीं कोई किसी को doubt, even single % doubt किसी को भी आ रहा हो, without hesitation, that someone will, what someone will say, कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, है ना? तो वो तो कहते रहेंगे.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I did not understand the meaning of dominion.
Dominion, actually, when you are not sovereign, when a country is not sovereign, it is called dominion. Did you get the concept of sovereign?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then when you do not have the sovereign authority, then it means you are dominion, or it's a kind of neo-colonialism. Okay? ठीक है? Yes. What? See, monarch have complete authority. Monarch is sovereign. Monarch is not under any other authority. Yes, if it is under any other authority, then it can be called as dominion. But in case if it is sovereign, that is a state. That is why I am saying that Saudi Arabia is a state. Fine. So concept is crystal clear for everyone. भूलोगे तो नहीं कभी भी.